thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, then make sure that you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you guys are notified when I upload. My name is Paige. I make college related videos, I make story times, and I make occasional beauty related videos. Today I'm just going to be giving you guys a wand curl tutorial. I've had this sewn in for about 2 or 3 weeks now, and I mainly only wear it straight, and then sometimes I'll put curls on the bottom of the hair, but I've been wanting to wand curl it for the longest just to see how it'll come out, and I decided to just do a tutorial for you guys and just show you my process of wand curling my hair. I love doing wand curls because I love big hair and I love curly hair. So without further ado, let's get into this wand curl tutorial. So the tool that I'll be using today is this Remington wand curler. I got this from Walmart 1 or 2 years ago. It wasn't expensive, it was more on the cheaper end. I think I ended up paying around $20 to $25 for this, so it's really affordable. So I set my wand curler to 410. That's the heat that I prefer to flat iron my hair on, because it's not too hot and it's not too cool, because if I do any lower than 410, then I feel like it's not really doing what it needs to do. I'm also going to be using BioSilk. I love BioSilk because it makes the hair feel better to the touch. It makes the hair softer, and when you curl your hair or just flat iron it or anything, it makes the hair silkier and shinier. So that's why I like using BioSilk. So I'm going to be working side by side. I'm going to do the left side first, and then I'm going to do the right side, and I'm going to work my way from the back to the front. got done with the left side of my hair. These curls look so good right now. They look so good, and my hair is blended really well, and the length is good. These are 20-inch bundles, guys, and I'll have the link to this hair in the description. These are 20-inch bundles. I don't mind how short they are. I wish they were longer though, but these are really cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the other side, and then I'll come back and show you guys the finished product. So I just got done doing the curls, and this is how they look. They look really good, guys. So what I'm just gonna do now is I'm trying to wait a few minutes for my hair to cool down completely, and then I'm just gonna finger comb the curls a little bit just so it could give it some volume instead of just leaving it like this. So this is it, guys. These are my wand curls. I wonder if you guys can see it. It looks a little bit dark, but these are my wand curls. They look so cute, guys. I love the volume. This is definitely like a, you know, going out like red dress type style, to me at least. So yeah, if you guys like this tutorial, then let me know. I definitely want to give you guys more hair tutorials, so definitely be on the lookout for that. I'm so happy I did this style. It is so cute, y'all. Like, oh my god. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Oh, okay, so I forgot one last thing. So in a video that I watched, after she finished doing the wand curls, she took her Got2b spray and she just kind of sprayed the hair a little bit. So I'm just going to do that just to give it a little bit more hold. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to hit the bell so you guys are notified when I upload, and also subscribe to my channel for more. And I will see you guys in the next one.